Hello everyone, this is Gunjit and today I'm going to show you how you can get cheap Discord boosts for your Discord server. As you can see that I have got a level 3 boosted server, and as you can see that it is a brand new server. So I'm going to show you how you can get cheap Discord boost on any server you want. And to show you proof, if I go to server settings and I go to boost perks, then as you can see that I have all the available Discord boost perks. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, what you would want to do is that you would want to head over to this website called blustboost.com. I'll leave the link to this website in the description below. And this is the website I used to get the boost. So let me show you how to do exactly what I did. So you'd want to click on shop now. And now you are going to see a lot of boost right here. So what I had bought is this 14 server boost on my Discord server, and as you saw that it is boosted now. Alright, so now let me demonstrate to you how to buy a boost from this website. So let's say you want to buy this one. So what you'd want to do here is that you'd want to enter your email address, and in the coupon code section what you'd want to do is that you'd want to enter this coupon code. And what this coupon code is going to do is that it is going to give you a 5% discount. So as you can see, the price is this much right now, and if I click on apply, as you can see that it has given us a 5% discount. And here you can choose a payment method. I think they accept all payment methods. If you reach out to their support team, take all of these options. You'd want to enter your Discord username right here, and to get a no expire server link, you'd want to click on invite people, and here you can select never, and it is going to give you a permanent invite link. So you'd want to enter in that link right here, and you'd want to put your Discord username in here, and then you would have to go proceed to payment. Now obviously for security reasons I cannot show you the payment process, but I have done it before, and it is not going to be instant. It is going to take a few hours to get your server boosted. So that's how you do the process. They also have a support system, so make sure to check them out and do your own research on this topic. And with all that being said, that's it for this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.